clutch is in. Okay, let's go. That was weird. So I got all my cameras recording. Okay. What we're going to do is do a short ride. So this is the first test of the Hero10 and 2 Insta setups using the iPhone to record audio. Oh man, these shoes make it hard to tell if I'm in the gear or not. I gotta get used to that. This is the neighborhood. Left turn. One down's easy. Get to go back up. Not sensitive at all. Okay. Now you can't feel it at all. You can't feel the gear or nothing. Oh yeah. You can't feel shit. Oh well. Wow, they got some planes over there. Horse farm. Seems to be doing good. We don't lose the 360. Yeah, it's 45 in here. Let's speed up. Imagine you find a nice part of the road, you just turn this thing on and record it.